Guys, no, this is Bill Fat Biker, no? Sa previous days, okay, in-unbox natin itong yung Class S na halimaw na iPhone 12 Pro Max 128GB graphite variant. Okay, ito po siya, no? So kung hindi niyo pa napapanood yung aking unboxing and power up of this gigantic and enormous, okay, latest iPhone 12 Pro Max, okay, balikan nyo yung video na yun at makita nyo ang aking unboxing. On this video, okay, before I proceed, please like, subscribe, and share this video sa mga baguhan. And tara, subscribe na kayo and take note, ha. Marami tayong mga giveaways na ginagawa. Always check, okay? The series of the video, the middle of the video, in between of the video, no? Nagbabato ko ng mga biglaang mga question na malay mo, magkaroon kayo ng gadgets, okay? For free, okay? And then next is, teka, itong video na to para sa pagsa-setup, okay, ng ating iPhone 12 Pro Max. How to set it up, this iPhone 12 Pro Max. Okay, let's get it on, guys. So guys, now before you proceed with the setup, setting it up, this particular iPhone 12 Pro Max now with 128GB, okay, internal memory, and then niloadan na rin po natin, sinalpakan na natin ng 5GB postpaid na SIM card, okay, talagang para malaman natin gaano ba kabagis, gaano ba kahalimaw ito. Okay, aside pa rin dito sa ating makikita yung tatlong gigantic camera, which I will discuss on the succeeding videos ko, or probably by next week, kung anong mga features nito. We're just talking about how to set it up, okay? Pero hapyawan na po natin, no? So this iPhone 12 Pro Max, okay, as you can see, okay, as you can see, this is a 6.7 inches, 6.7 inches, okay? Pinakamalaki na inilabas ni Apple. Okay, this is the widest and biggest iPhone cellphone. Okay, now, gaano ba kalaki ang 6.7 compared to other iPhone? Okay, I'll compare, no? So I have here, okay, I have here the iPhone 6s. Okay, kita nyo ba? This is the iPhone 6s. Okay, iPhone 6s. Yan yung LCD niya, iPhone 6s. Okay, that's the iPhone 6s. Okay, front side LCD, okay? Kung titingnan natin sa likod naman ay yan ang iPhone 6s versus the iPhone 12 Pro Max. 'Di ba? Compare nyo, ang laki ng diferensya. Now, jump naman tayo dun sa ano natin, sa isang cellphone ko pa, okay? Yung aking existing cellphone as of now, yung limited edition na iPhone 10 or iPhone X. Yan po. Kita nyo? Okay, yan ang difference, to. Talagang ano, malaki talaga. Yung gilid, okay, okay, ganyan kalaki. Ang LCD, okay, kita nyo. Nakikita yung video ko daw. So that's the iPhone 12 Pro Max versus the iPhone X. Okay, now let's proceed now. How to set it up, this cellphone, okay, step by step, okay, from the power on, and then series of question, how to set it up. Okay, tara, ito na yung kasunod. So guys, now let's start powering it up, and then tingnan natin yung mga question niya and how to set it up. So still same, wala dito yung ano niya, kanyang power on button, no, nasa gilid po siya. So let's start. Okay, there you go. As usual, the iconic Apple logo. So I think it will took around 6 to 7 seconds for the power up, just like what I have shown to you my previous video of the unboxing. Okay, ito na siya. So what's next? Tingnan natin. So okay, language, English, region. Okay. So we're now selecting the region, of course Philippines, no? Nakalagay na rin siya dito. Okay, Philippines. And then quick start guide. So you can see as set up manually. I suggest I would like to set it up manually para at least makita ninyo. Actually, pero pag meron ka existing na iPhone o iPad, it's easy, no? So automatic niyang i-detect yung setting mo ng iPad, but I don't like to do that. Okay, so gusto ko yung medyo comprehensive, okay? Para na rin sa mga first time magkakaroon ng iPhone o magkakaroon ng iPhone 12 Pro Max. Again, you can check my description link for all those gadgets, no? So you might get some magandang offers or discounts from Shopee, no? Sana makahabol pa kayo sa Shopee cashback na maximum 20%. I don't know if it's still available, okay? Check my link description, guys, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, okay, and bell icon. Okay, let's start the setup manually. Para medyo challenging. Okay, preferred language, okay, English, Filipino, then click continue. Okay, so makikita nyo na dito yung yung mga network, no, sa mga wifi kagad tatanungin. So kitang-kita nyo naman na doon si BN Fat Biker Studio. Ano ang password? Ano password? So yan po, no, so naipasok na natin ang ating wifi password. So join. Okay, pumasok na ba? Yes, successfully connected as you can see kay BLDT BN Fat Biker Studio. Then click the next. Okay, it may take a few minutes to activate your iPhone. Okay. Ayun. Lumabas na. So, unang tinatanong is data and privacy. Okay, it said, the icon appears when you blah 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 blah. Okay, continue. Face ID. Okay, ha? Ano natin yung Face ID ko muna. Continue. Set na natin. Okay. So, ayun, no? So, okay yung Face ID natin. Then, scan to complete. Continue. So, ayun. Sinabi dito is, okay, Face ID is now set up. So as you can see sa Face ID, no, dalawang beses na na pina-configure, pina-setup niya. And then on the second time, Face ID is now set up. So click continue and create your passcode. Ating passcode. Okay, next is apps and data. So may sinasabing restore from iCloud backup, restore from backup. So it's up to you kung anong gagawin po natin dito, no. So sabihin ko lang is don't transfer apps and data. Kasi gusto kong i-configure to ng personally itong cellphone na to. And then of course my Apple ID. Okay, teka lang ha, lagyan natin ang ating Apple ID. So once na pinasok niyo yung inyong Apple ID or our Apple ID plus the password, so magkakaroon ng Apple ID verification code. So that means it will send a particular Apple code, verification code dun sa mga nakakonekta niyong mga cellphone, okay, na Apple din. So it will send. So let's check now. I will check now my iPhone X kung ano yung pinadala niya. Okay? So double check na natin kasi hindi tayo andar dito kung wala yung code na yon. Kita nyo, no? Hinahanap nga. And then yung confirmation code ipapadala sa naka-on na gadget niyo. So ayan, no? So makikita yun sa iPhone X ko, nakita. So just click allow. And then may lalabas na number. Okay, you will just type, you need to type. So makikita niyo sa kabilang iPhone, ano yun, yung verification code, Apple ID verification code, makikita doon sa other gadget na Apple niyo. So 3, 7, 6, 4. So pareho na. Then, okay. So ayun na siya. All you need is verification. So makikita nyo nga dito, ito, ang aking iPad din nag-notify rin siya. So, mga laws and bylaws lang, terms and condition ng Apple, then click agree. Again, it may take few minutes to set up your Apple ID ulit. So, and then, eto na siya. So, ongoing pa rin siya. Then, express setting, continue. So, keep your iPhone up to date, continue. Okay. And then, screen time, continue para ma-monitor. And then, of course, kailangan natin ng analytic, okay. Share with app developer para malaman natin. And true tone display, syempre, para maganda. And then light dark ba? Of course, I leave the light appearance. And then, so kung makikita nyo, yan yung mga mga display zoom na standard. So naka-standard lang muna tayo. Okay? So dire-diretso pa rin naman to. And tawag dito. Pag standard, of course, yung same size lang, regular size ng mga icon, okay? And then zoom, yung of course, may hina na yung mga mata, medyo malalaki na yung mga icon, okay? Yung mga widget, okay? I think siguro i-zoom nga natin, tingnan natin kung gaano ba kalaki. Medyo lang tayo, bisa sumasablay tayo sa dilim eh. Continue. Okay? And welcome to iPhone. Okay. Ayun na po siya. So, time is 5:54 PM, Sunday, February 7. Wow. So, let's browse natin all together, no? So, ito yung laman, as of now. Welcome to App Library. So yung mga widget niya, okay? So pag slide mo lang ganito, kita ka yung widget, okay? Slide here, okay? Refresh widget, kita mo siya. Go sliding down, okay, ang standard ng mga iconic na ano, ng mga shortcuts. Pagpababa pataas naman, wala naman pala. Okay guys, so ito ang natin, ito ang ating iPhone 12 Pro Max setting it up, okay? And the step by step, okay? We do the setup manually, okay? And guys, so don't forget to hit the subscribe button, bell icon, and share this video and like. Okay guys, this is Vin Fatbiger and this is the iPhone 12 Pro Max. How to set it up step by step using a setup manual for a brand new iPhone 12 Pro Max. Okay guys, so good day and happy weekend.